Hello guys, it's been a long time. So I want to show you a $10,000 blog automation strategy which you can follow and make profit. Okay, so let's say you have a domain. Okay, so you want to go purchase any .com domain on your name. So it should be on your name. Okay, so the content you want to write is going to be name's website. So this is like a secret strategy. This is a very specific. So if you ask me what to write on names, you can write team names. So let me just write it here. Team names that start with A. Okay, now you can go, this is a one of the long tail keyword, team names that start with, and you can go from A to Z. Okay, now you can also follow one more thing. So this is a one of the specific area in names. Okay, now listen to me. Not only that, you can also write sports team names, that start with sport team names that start with, then again A to Z. Okay, now internal link both these things. Okay, so here 27 articles and 27 articles, 27 to 27 articles, internal link with each other. And then you have child names. Okay, child names that start with A to Z. And then newborn baby names that start with A to Z. Internal link this, internal link this. Okay, here 27, 27, it goes infinite, guys. I can keep on saying it. Okay, now lucky names that start with A to Z. Okay, lucky names that start with A, lucky names that start with B, lucky names that start with C. I can go on right infinite. And also girls names that start with A to Z. Girls names that start with A, girls names that start with B, girls names that start with C, and then boys names, and then men, 19-year-old names that start with A, 19-year-old names that start with B. This is like a rabbit hole. You can keep on writing. You can keep on writing articles, more and more articles, and for each long tail keyword you're going to generate 27. And with the help of AI, it's easy. Go to ChatGPT and give a prompt. Hey, generated names. Okay, so what I have written, so this is a 2 paragraph, and then here are team names that start with A and the meaning behind it. Okay, now I have added emojis, and you can see right here 1 or 5 team names. Okay, simple. So you can follow this, and if you have any questions, if you want to know how to monetize your blog fast, there'll be a link in the description. You can check that out. Okay, so catch you on the next one.